Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a font in Mailchimp, okay? But first you need to come to Google and search up Google Fonts. And then once we open this up, you'll see a bunch of fonts. So let's say we wanted this one, Roboto, okay? You just need to come here and click on Get Font and then click on Get Embed Code. Now before we use this, we'll come here on Mailchimp. So we have this campaign. I'll go ahead and edit the content right here. So we just need to take this and embed it into the head section of our HTML. So I'll go ahead and copy this code. Okay. Now here, this is the head section. Okay. The head, this is the body, and this is the footer. So come here, click on the head section. You can double click right here and we'll get code. So this is the HTML code. I'll add another line of code right here. So this is the code I copied. I've pasted right here. It is HTML, right? I can click on done. Now, if I try to edit this text, right, the font, I come here, I should now see Roboto added to their font. So let's come and scroll down here under R. Let's see, here we go. We have Roboto and it has been changed. You can go ahead and save it. Okay. You can come here and get more fonts in the same way. It's really that easy and simple.